Atba Open mga ka-bowlers. So yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Robinson's Place Imus Freedom Bowl. So yan, excited tayo sa Trio Challenge muna. Kampi ko muna si Tita Joy tsaka si Sir Ruel Batidoan ba yun? Ayun, nandun. So ayun ang kakampi ko. Yan. Paikot mo yung mga ano.
Current Secretary General of the Philippine Bowling Congress, Mr. Bien Doliente.
Bien Doliente po lang ang siya po Pangulo ng ating mahal na APA.
NBT record for most number of first day participants now belongs to APA. Congratulations. Aside from being the president of the Philippine Bowling Congress and the owner of Grupo Hearing, Engineer Guillermo Jerry Malili.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Ben, APA, led by our President, Coach Bien Doliente. Palakpakan natin. This is a reflection that APA is really a very strong association and very reliable. For your information, Congress way back in 2015.
All conditions. 1, 2, ready, go.
Ay, ang galing.
Our 20th APBA NBT Open Championships, we call on Mr. Zaldi Nacional, APBA Tournament Director.
Laki ng pagitan natin eh. Laki ng
Ayun. One more.
yun!
Score sheets to print counter, score sheets to print lahat ng scores.
Combination ng tatlo.
Ay, sandali.
papaalam na ako. Babalik na lang sa susunod para mag-qualify rin. So may isa pang game. Kaso, sama no. Grabe naman yung mga
Ilan handicap mo dyan, Love?
Hindi ko alam eh. Sa Open Masters yung kukunin na handicap ko.
Okay.
So, bitin pa yung score pero okay lang, laro lang. And qualifying pa lang naman. Pero sana hindi na mag-retry para hindi na gumastos. Pero once again, thank you kay Sir Jerry Maliding, boss. Thank you sa sponsorship dito. Team Grupo dito sa ATBA. Alabang Alliance of 10 Pin Bowlers in Alabang. Open. Thank you, thank you.